Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have IIYAMA monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the OSD settings. At first we have to click this menu button at the back of our monitor, and here we have to go with the plus button here to OSD. Now menu button again, and here as you can see we have OSD vertical position, OSD horizontal position, vertical position, OSD time, which is default value 5, opening logo on or off, AMD FreeSync Premium or on off, or OLED or on off. To enter the setting we have to click OK menu button, and now we can move around our menu. As you can see it's working somehow. Here we can manage the OSD vertical position, so up and down, OSD time, so as you can see now our menu will last 30 seconds until turning off. Here we have the opening logo, now we can disable or enable, AMD FreeSync Premium and OLED. As you can see, this is the OLED light. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.